Hey, what's going on, everybody? We're back here in Myrtle Grove, trying to make it happen again. This is my go-to spot during the winter time when it's cold. When it starts warming up, I'll start fishing different areas, but for right now, it's Myrtle Grove. Hope y'all enjoy. And as y'all can see, I brought some friends with me today. They don't say too much, they just kind of hang around. There we go. There we go. I had to hurry up and try to reel it in and get away from the damn bird. Nice trout. That's a nice trout. Look at that. Woo. Get out of here. Get out of here. Trying to steal my fish. Look at that yellow mouth sucker right there, huh? Swallowed it. Y'all see this? I swear if I didn't have it on camera, nobody would believe me. Get out of here. I'm keeping it. Ow! He's attacking me. Come on. Get out of here. Y'all see what I have to go through? Just to catch a fish. Yeah, you. I don't have nothing that's... What, you gonna eat me? Really? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Here. Worrying about pelican. Can't see it now, huh? I got y'all beat now. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right there. Them pelicans are making it hard to fish. So, as always, thank y'all for watching and please like and subscribe.